If you hear some noise, it's my turtle tank. We moved her from downstairs to upstairs, and my Roomba is vacuuming the house downstairs for me. I'm gonna recap you guys on what I've been up to the ending of December. I tried to do Vlogmas as best as I can. I think I got like a couple days up there, like 10 days, I think. I'm not sure. So I tried to do Vlogmas, and then things just started getting hectic around here. Couldn't really pick up the camera as much. My husband isn't really a big camera, YouTube type of person. He'll do it like when I have the camera up and stuff like that, but he won't like pick up the camera or whatever. It's early, like he went to a job interview. It's like 7 in the morning. So I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I hardly got any sleep from working and doing Christmas. So yeah, for you mommies out there that has to pick up the workload because your significant other was laid off, but comment down how hard it was for you to do that. It's really hard, and not only for me, but for him as well. Like I see it taking a toll in him. Like he likes to provide for us and stuff, and I think with me providing more than him is making him feel less than, not less than of a man, but less than of a person because of how driven and how his personality is. So we're sending out positive vibes for my husband's job interview today. And yeah, I also have been doing doctor's appointments for my daughter's bugs for her cardiologist for her heart. My other daughter, Coda, for her blood pressure. She's taking pills twice a day now, currently, for her blood pressure. Do you have any home remedies to lower blood pressure? Because I don't really like giving her the pills. I know I have to give her the pills. I just don't like to. I feel like because she's a child, she shouldn't be having to take all of these medications. But so yeah, so if you have any remedies for lowering high blood pressure for adolescents, can you please comment that down below? Much appreciated. But yeah, let me finish my coffee and get on with my day. I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping today. I'm not sure, and make something for dinner. If I do, I will insert it in this video for you guys. Love you all. Be safe, make good choices. And don't forget to comment anything you like, but also comment down a squirrel and a heart because that's our thing. Love you all. Bye.